This can be very handy as you're going through large amounts of data. You can color code different data elements within the spreadsheet and sort it or filter it, because note you can sort it as well by the same data parameters, both by cell color or by font color. So, that's a real handy dandy feature. And in order to get your filters turned on or off, just come back in here, select your filter button here at the top, select all, and say OK. One more thing that I wanted to demonstrate as it relates to filters. I think I talked about it a little bit, but I do want to come over here and demonstrate all of the different variations of number filtering that you can do. Equals, does not equal, greater than, yada yada yada, top 10, above average, below average. There's also some custom filtering going on here. Okay, so if I say here, I'm not sure I selected the best column here, but that's okay. If my acquisition cost, again, all of these filters are essentially the same as what you saw in your quick drop down. Some are different, but I'm going to say is greater than $500. The difference here is you can add on to your filtering devices. So I can say is greater than, but less than, or equal to, and I can type in 1,000. Okay, so I want to see all of my equipment that's between 500 or greater than 500 or equal to and less than 1,000. And here is my result here. So sorry, my acquisition cost was the basis of my filter. So as you can see, filters can be extremely valuable tools within Excel. You can look here and see the different retirement years. This is just a fabulous way to get data sorted the way you want it. So if I say, I'm going to do something real quick here. I want to look at everything for only this location. Okay. Now, say I want to create a new spreadsheet with just a particular set of data within this spreadsheet. Okay, I could copy this and paste it over into a new spreadsheet. I'm just going to paste it here down at the bottom of this one, but pretend it's a new spreadsheet, and it's brought over all of my data here. Now, let me show you one other thing, because this is really kind of interesting. I'm also going to select a data set, leaving a gap in my data, because remember, I've now sorted it by location. Okay, so I have a gap in my data here. And here's what I really want to show you. Okay, if I come over here and I want to select this data, so I'm going to copy this. Note that it's copying what I have selected, and when I paste this down here in my data set, it is going to only paste these two locations. It left out all of the data that was filtered from my data set up here at the top. So it only pasted what I asked for whenever I did my copy to the clipboard. So, the filters within Excel are extremely helpful. It's just a fabulous feature within Excel, and I highly recommend that you get to know the functionality and get to know Excel itself. Excel is an extremely powerful application that's very, very helpful. And that concludes this lesson on filters. I hope you found it helpful, and the next tutorial segment will be on filters and pivot tables within the pivot tables themselves. Thank you and have a great day.